Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natasha Hamilton and I'm a luxury realtor with eXp Realty, specializing in Kleinburg, Vaughan, and the surrounding York region luxury markets. And in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the February 2026 Kleinburg real estate market update so you can clearly understand what is happening in the market right now and what it means if you are thinking about buying or selling in Kleinburg. So we'll cover home prices, inventory levels, days on market, negotiation trends, and mortgage rates. And if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. And also check out the helpful links in the description below for additional resources and guides that I provide. You can reach me anytime at natasha.hamilton@exprealty.com. You can call or text me at 226-974-6544 or visit my website, natashahamilton.ca, and you'll find everything you need. So let's get into it. So let's start with a quick snapshot of the Kleinburg housing market in February 2026. So the market is currently shifting towards a buyer-leaning environment, which means buyers now have more negotiating power than they did during the peak pandemic market. So inventory levels are elevated. Prices have moderated slightly from recent highs. Homes are taking longer to sell, and buyers have more leverage when negotiating with offers. So these trends are consistent with what we are seeing across the broader Greater Toronto Area real estate market as the market continues to normalize. Looking at the median home price in Kleinburg, the current median sold price is approximately $1,660,000, which represents about a 7.3% decrease year over year. So this reflects the price correction following the rapid price growth seen during the pandemic years. While prices have softened slightly, Kleinburg remains one of the most prestigious luxury communities within Vaughan and continues to attract buyers looking for larger homes and desirable neighborhoods. Now let's look at the average home price, which provides another perspective on the market. So the current average price in Kleinburg is about $1,677,700 compared to approximately $1,754,694 in late 2025. So this modest adjustment reflects the broader GTA market correction and higher interest rates compared to the pandemic era, and buyers becoming more cautious and price cautious when making purchasing decisions. Next, let's look at new listings entering the market. So in February, there were approximately 40 new homes listed in Kleinburg. This increase in supply means buyers have more choice available and sellers are facing greater competition. So in this type of market, strategic pricing, strong marketing, and professional presentation are extremely important in order for sellers to stand out and attract qualified buyers. Inventory levels are one of the most important indicators of market conditions. So currently there are approximately 90 to about 98 active listings available in Kleinburg. And when inventory increases faster than sales activity, the market shifts towards buyer leverage. So for buyers, this means more selection and more time to evaluate properties. For sellers, it means more competition, which makes pricing and presentation crucial. Now let's look at sales activity. On average, approximately 12 homes are selling per month in Kleinburg. So when we compare this with roughly 90 to 98 homes available, it creates about 7 to 8 months of inventory, which strongly favors buyers. So in this type of environment, buyers typically have greater negotiating power, while sellers must price their homes strategically to attract offers. Another important statistic is days on market, which measures how long homes typically take to sell. So in Kleinburg, homes are currently selling in approximately 33 to 35 days on average, and buyers are taking more time to evaluate properties carefully. Homes are priced correctly and well presented can still sell quickly, while overpriced homes often remain on market longer. Next, we look at the sale to list price ratio. In Kleinburg, homes are currently selling for approximately 94 to 95% of the asking price. So this means homes are selling about 5% below list price on average. Compared to previous years, this indicates fewer bidding wars and more room for buyers to negotiate price. They can negotiate conditions and closing terms. So it's no secret that detached homes dominate the Kleinburg housing market. In recent data, 29 of the 36 total transactions were detached properties. The average detached home price is approximately $1,926,000, and the average time to sell is about 33 days. So this reflects Kleinberg's position as a luxury community known for large detached homes and premium neighborhoods. Townhomes represent a smaller portion of the Kleinberg market, but they are still an important segment. The average townhome price is approximately $1,010,000, and these homes tend to sell faster with an average of about 21 days on the market. Because townhomes are more affordable relative to detached homes, they often attract first-time buyers entering the Kleinburg market or perhaps downsizers who want to remain within the community. Mortgage rates play a major role in the housing market. As of early 2026, the Bank of Canada policy rate is approximately 2.25%. Typical mortgage options include 5-year fixed rates around 3.84% and 5-year variable rates around 3.35%. These stabilized rates are helping restore buyers' confidence after the rate increase seen in previous years. It is also important to understand the broader Greater Toronto Area market. The average GTA home price is approximately $1.01 million, with prices down about 7.1% year over year and sales activity down roughly 6.3%. Feinberg trends mirror this broader correction but remain at a higher luxury price tier. For buyers, the current Kleinberg market presents an interesting opportunity. With more than 90 homes currently available, buyers have a greater selection across property types and price ranges, I would say. Buyers also have more negotiating power and can take more time evaluating properties without the pressure of intense bidding wars. For sellers, success is still very achievable in this market, but it requires a strategic approach. So, pricing your home correctly from the beginning is essential, and professional marketing, including photography, staging, and digital exposure, is crucial. And strong presentation helps create the best possible first impression for buyers. Looking ahead, several factors suggest we may see increased activity later in 2026. Spring is traditionally the busiest season for real estate, and mortgage rates have stabilized, and many buyers who paused their search during 2024 and 2025 may return to the market as confidence improves. To summarize the key insights, Kleinburg remains one of Vaughan's most desirable luxury communities. Prices have corrected slightly, creating opportunities for buyers, and inventory levels remain elevated, giving buyers more choice, and mortgage rates have stabilized, which is improving buyer confidence. If you are thinking about buying or selling in Kleinburg, I would be happy to help guide you through the process. I provide custom home value reports, personalized buying strategies, and local market insights. You can contact me anytime at natasha.hamilton@exprealty.com or call or text 226-974-6544 and visit natashahamilton.exprealty.com. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe, and check out the helpful links in the description below. And we'll see you guys next week.